I've learned that it's good to get out in nature now and then without any goals. Many things are happening behind our backs. In nature, everything happens right here and now. It's worth immersing yourself in that idea. Nature has a positive effect on your mental well-being. When you walk into a spruce forest, you enter a temple where the sounds are silenced and time stops completely. When you put your own bird feeder in the forest, you can photograph birds at your own pace. On cloudy winter days, there is little light and an ND filter may be unnecessary. I've put this bird feeder here in the forest, but I don't own this forest, but I have permission to put the feeder here. I chose this place earlier in the fall. I don't want the sun shine too much here. I want it to scatter just a little bit through the trees. while I've been bringing food to the feeders, I always bring some nuts and put them in the same place, so the birds already know me and they know where the nuts are. Small birds move so fast that many times they are worth filming at 50 or 60 frames per second and slowing down the footage in the editing by half. Then you just have to wait for sunny spring days to film creatively by bird feeders.